Hello friends, welcome to Gardening with Creekside. I am Jenny and welcome to our weekly nursery update. We are standing here in the field of sunflowers that have just begun to open. So we're going to do a little walkthrough here, but I want to make sure that you stay tuned for the end of the video because we have a very exciting new trial that we are partnering with one of the major plant companies. So stay tuned because I want to show you what we're doing and it's really exciting. So if you will remember, we were in this field, we planted this, we believe it was towards the end of August. I need to go back and double check, but I believe we ran that video at the end of August. So we would have seeded these sunflowers just a couple of days beforehand. So we knew that this was going to be a little cutting it close as far as the season. You know, would the weather cooperate? Would we be able to get them up? Well, they are up. The ProCut oranges were the first to bloom and they are absolutely gorgeous and magnificent. This is why you love a ProCut orange sunflower. They are great performers every single time. They're just wonderful, gorgeous, classic sunflowers. Now, the ProCut orange is designed to be a cut flower, so these will not go to seed. Even if we leave them here until they die, they will not go to seed. So they are for a cut flower or just to enjoy. So we've got these. I don't even remember all the different ones we did, but you can see like how the heads are coming along. We have Miss Spider right there. She's hanging out there. But this is a massive head. I mean, look at that. That's a good size sunflower. We use the Earthway cedar to do those. Then down here we have, I remember this is lemon. This is a lemon bicolor, or ProCut lemon rather, excuse me. It is an older bloom. So it was the first one to bloom of the lemon, and it is starting to show a little wear and tear on it. But it's doing well. And then we did, remember the branching ones? Clearly we got a ton of seed right here because we got a bunch of babies all right there together. But if you come down here, you will see what I mean by branching. So this one has just popped open. Look at that. Again, gorgeous flower. We are North Carolina, so this is a great benefit of us living in the South is that our season is so extended. We are North Carolina, Zone 7B. It is here at the end of October. They are doing great. They're growing. I know they're in other parts of the country. All of you fantastic folks have been talking about, freezing and it's cold and you're going to have snow. And I know Montana, I saw somebody was talking about Montana and they have snow all over the ground. It's going to be like 1 degree. Not here in North Carolina. We can grow sunflowers well into October. This is a branching sunflower because you see it has the main, the first bloom, and then it has all these other buds coming off of the stem. So this is what you call a branching sunflower. The branch comes off, hence you get more. Pretty simple. Oh, here's one. Now it's a tiny one. We planted these seeds. Some of them came out really close. So remember I told you the closer you plant your seeds, the smaller the stalk, the smaller the bloom. So we were having a little issue going on there, but that's all right. I love having flowers of different diameters on their stalk because you can do different things with them. You don't always need a tree trunk. You can do things with the little ones too. So these guys are opening up. So it is not going to be long before this whole field is going to be full of sunflowers. I think we did like 4 or 5 different varieties of sunflowers. So it is going to be gorgeous. So to give you a little perspective, this is the entrance to the nursery. That way is our house. If you keep going down straight through the gate, it goes to the nursery. And this field is right in front of the house, right near the entrance to the nursery. So you see it from all angles, both of our house and the nursery. So it's a great spot to have these sunflowers in because everybody gets to enjoy them. Whether you're a customer or you're in my family, you get to enjoy them. So we're gonna come on over here because I know we had talked about this, I think it was last week, about the pansies that we grew, if you remember a couple weeks ago, months ago, 6 weeks, I don't know, it all runs together these days. We were growing our own pansies. Well, they are gorgeous, doing fantastic. So we'll swing by, check on them. Of course, we still have shrubs. We were just at a landscape job today, hence the hot mess, dirty look going on with Jenny today. We were at a landscape job. It was a new construction. And so she told her, she's a friend of ours from church, and she told the builder, she was like, do not put any landscape in my new house because Jerry and Jenny from Creekside are gonna do my landscape. So that's what we did today. We went and installed a ton, gosh, I don't even know how many shrubs it was. Tons of different gorgeous shrubs, both from Proven Winners and Southern Living. Put a limelight hydrangea tree in there. She's gonna get an aqua pot. We went ahead and put that in her landscape plan because she has a great pergola patio area that gets really intense hot afternoon sun. So I was like, you need an aqua pot. So she's got that all picked out. But the pansies, we planted some white pansies by her front door. So I'm loving the white pansy. Then we have beautiful, this is matrix orange, which is a beautiful one. And then matrix lemon, look at that one, Jerry. Look how beautiful. It's just a very nice, soft, kind of a buttercup yellow. And then this is a blue, I can't find a tag, but a great, gorgeous blue with that yellow center. So if you are local, we still have tons of pansies and you still have tons of time. I know last year I didn't plant my own personal pansies until it was like December. So we've got tons of those. The mums. Who needs a mum? We got mums. Yes, we do. So this is a gorgeous red, doing great. The oranges are really popping open and doing well. We still have some in the bud stage. And then the ones that are really, and this is the ones back here are not in their full bloom. They still have lots of life left to them. If you need instant color for the weekend, you cannot go wrong with these purples. Look at both of these purples, but look at this. I love that deep, rich color on this mum. Absolutely gorgeous. So again, still got plenty of time, and we've got mums. This is not even all of them. There's more up there. And then yellow, the sea of yellow gorgeousness. If you're looking for a big impact from a distance, yellow is typically the way to go because it's the brighter color and it really stands out. But I'll just let Jerry just kind of pan over here. So again, lots of pansies to choose from. All of the trailing pansies have sold out. We only have just a small handful of violas left. Still a good number of the cardoon, the upright kale, all of the low round decorative kale, ornamental kale has been sold out. But still lots of, obviously the shrubs, I mean, look at that. Do you not love that combination? We actually put these in Miss Dana's landscape, not necessarily together, but in different areas. So she got some sunshine ligustrums and purple daydream loropetalums from Southern Living. So that was a lot of fun. We're gonna go back to Miss Dana's house and do some sod in a couple of weeks. Full disclosure, we were gonna do a walkthrough of her yard today. We were like, oh, this will be a great video. Everybody would love to see this because it was a complete blank canvas. We'll go in, we'll install it, and then we'll do a walkthrough and show everybody. Well, that didn't happen. One, we were exhausted. Two, Trump is coming to town today, and she lives near where he was coming, so we honestly were trying to get the heck out of Dodge before the complete and total madness set in of the president coming to the town. So that's just full disclosure. We'll come back when we put sod in and we'll show you around. All right, now, look at these yellows. I'm sorry, I was gonna go on to something else, but this is just like sunshine in a pot, isn't it? It's gorgeous, beautiful. Oh, if y'all don't come get these, I'm gonna have the most gorgeous yard in all of history. All right, now, before we open the door, we're gonna set this up a little bit. So you know that we have a great relationship with Proven Winners, and Proven Winners is trying out a new program that they would like to launch in the coming years. Don't know exactly when, but this year they paired up with Classic Caladiums and had a whole gorgeous line, like 20 different caladiums that they offered. So the new program is to take caladiums and sell them during the holidays with poinsettias and amaryllis and those things to be an indoor plant, a companion plant to those beautiful flowers. So they have 2 nurseries in the whole country, all of the United States, and they ask us to test out this program, grow them this time of year, see how they grow, and then sell them to our customers at the end of November. See what their reactions are, how people like this, what is the response. So of course, when they asked us, we were like, of course, we would love to do that. So in here, we have got a nice little selection of caladiums that we will be selling here at the nursery for 2 weekends only, the first 2 weekends in December. So I want to show them to you. Now, this was a little different than traditional. Like this spring, we got them as bulbs. So caladiums are a tropical plant. They will not survive outside in the cold. They really don't even like to go too much below 60 degrees. They'll stop growing. Hence why they are in the greenhouse. Just like, I can't get it out, there we go. Poinsettias. Poinsettias are actually a tropical plant. And so they have these beautiful red caladiums. So they're all going to be either red or white. This happens to be Fast Flash. That is gorgeous. So they're going to come in 3 different sizes. So they will come, I believe this is like around a 6-inch pot. They will come in a quart, or they will come in the nice, this is like an 8.5-inch pot. So when they came to us, they were already potted up. They were already pretty much sprouted, and now we just have to grow them out and sell them to you. So this is White Wonder, just 2 little leaves poking out. I grew White Wonder, had White Wonder in my garden this year. Absolutely loved it. It is a magnificent plant. So not only can you use these for the holidays, but you can keep them as house plants throughout the rest of the season, and then keep them till spring, and then there you go. So we have those 2. Then we have, I don't even know all the different, ooh, Snowdrift. Look at Snowdrift. A beautiful white and pink. I'll try not to let my hand shake. White and pink, really full, gorgeous one. Snowdrift, Fast Flash. I'm trying to find, there's a couple of different other ones that I'm trying to find for you. It's kind of hard when their tags are all bent. Ooh, Scarlet Flame. Here we go. I knew, and there's another white one also. So this is Scarlet Flame. Another nice, really pretty red. So anyway, we will keep you updated on everybody's progress, how they grow. If you are a customer who can come to us, we would love for you to have these in your home this holiday season. At this time, we will not be shipping. So if you're kind of far away, I'm sorry to tease you, but you can live vicariously through the videos and keep up with all that is going on. We will have lots and lots of updates for you. Also, make sure you stay tuned to social media, Instagram and Facebook. Check out our stories. We always do lots of behind the scenes things there. But this is a really exciting program. We were really honored that Proven Winners asked us to do this with them and to document this whole procedures, which we will do. So make sure you stay tuned for these weekly updates. We will keep you posted on how these babies are growing. But for right now, we're hot, we're tired, we're sweaty, I stink. It's ready for a hot shower and a cup of coffee on the front porch. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye, friends.